Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fill out Annexure E for your passport renewal application. First, I'll head over to the BLS International website to download the form. Here's the Annexure E form. You'll need to print it out and fill it in using a blue or black pen. Start by writing your name here. Then, write either your father's name or your husband's name. Next, fill in your current address and your date of birth. At the bottom, write your father's, mother's, and spouse's or husband's names as they appear on your passport. In point 2, enter the date from which you've been living at the above-mentioned address. Finally, at the end of the form, write your city name, the date, and sign the document. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you with your passport renewal process. Sorry, forgot to mention this thing. Here, according to your information, you have to cross mark son/daughter or wife of. Thanks for watching.